Om Shanti. Hello friends to Himalayan Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make video on divided breathing. It's a Himalayan yogic practice. It's a secret practice. The name of this breathing exercise is divided breathing, or in the modern time lots of people called athlete breathing, and in the ancient name is Dvikhand Pranayama. So it's a secret Himalayan yogic practice, and the benefit of this practice means this breathing exercise is if it will reduce your belly fat, it will give you so much energy inside you because of the athlete breathing. It will give you, if somebody who are climbers, athletes, so this is very beneficial for their daily routine and practice. If they practice this, so they can increase their stamina. It will increase the lungs power who are suffering from piles, excess fat in the body. So it will reduce their fat and increase the vitality inside you. And there's a lots of another benefits of this breathing exercise, and you can take advantage, because today I'm going to reveal with you. It's a secret practice of Himalayan yogics, very simple but very effective. I will teach you the two variation, one variation for the healthy peoples and the second variation who are suffering from asthma, heart disease and the other issue in their body. So I will teach you the two variant of it. This is very good for the asthma patient. It gives very good results if they do right. So I'll give you two variant. So how to do? First, for the healthy peoples, this is called divided breathing, means Dvikhand breathing. When the normal breathing is, this is one breath, and the actual breathing is when you inhale, your diaphragm will come out, your stomach will come out, and when you exhale, your stomach will go in. This is the right method of inhalation and exhalation. Stomach will go out when you inhale and stomach will go in when you exhale. This is the right method. The same thing we will follow in this. So when I inhale with the divided, I will divide my breath in two, and when I exhale, the same thing I will do, I will divide my breath in two. So I'm giving you first round for the healthy peoples like this. Every time when I'm inhaling with the divided breath, my stomach will go out, and when I'm exhaling, my stomach will go in. Every time, just like we do in the Kapalbhati. But in this we will do divided breath. How? Inhale 2 times with the divide, and your stomach will go out. This is for healthy peoples. This is the variant. And the second variant for who are suffering for asthma, lack of breathing issues, high BP, heart issues, cardiac issues. So this is for them. They will do easily. Every time my stomach go out when I inhale and stomach go in when I exhale. It comes with the practice. In the beginning you will feel uneasy because there is no connection with your body motion. This is the connection with the mind and the body and the breath. When the three are connected, then you will see the changes. Like that. and if you are healthy, you can do little faster. Like this. This is called Dukhand breathing, divided breathing, athlete breathing. So if you do every day this breathing exercises 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and you will see incredible changes inside you. You are able to reduce your excess body fat with this breathing exercise only. It will reduce your belly fat mostly, and it will give you to power to your lungs, to increase the capacity of your lungs, so you can climb, you can run if you are athlete. So it will increase your stamina, so and it will increase the heat also in you if you do faster, just like I am doing. If you're living in a cold place, in a mountains, so it will help you to balance your body heat and cold. So keep practice, and I will come with the new video with the Himalayan yogic breathing techniques in my series, and I only share with you Himalayan yogic techniques. And there's a lot of yogas nowadays, so I will make more videos on that with the mysterious and secret breathing methods. And maybe soon I'm going to create video on Tibetan monk. Actually these are the part of the Hatha yoga, but nowadays the Tibetan monks are practicing, because when the country are divided, so it's the Buddhism comes, so the Tibetans, the Buddhism, they start practicing this, but the origin is the Indian, the Hatha yoga. But nowadays that is called the Tibetan monk practice. I will share that we also they're focusing on Purak Kumbhak Rechak, how to use your body motion exercise with the Kumbhaka to increase the power inside you, to awaken your Kundalini and chakra. In the future I will make video on this topic also, so it will give you very beneficial effect in your body, in your mind, and in your spiritual energies. So enjoy my videos, and if you really like the content, and if you really like my knowledge and practice, so keep sharing with others, so they can also take benefits, and they can enjoy their life with the true knowledge, with the bliss, with the happiness. Because everything is illusion in this whole world related to your physical dimension. Everything is like a dream, but your reality is different. So if you want to go there, if you want to taste the real honey of your life, so keep connect with me, and I will share with you as much as I can share, because these are informational video. If you really want to practice, you can contact me, and I will teach you the ancient authentic practice of Himalayan yogis and monks. Om Shanti.